Welcome back to East Texas Live on KETK. Breast Cancer Awareness Month is right around the corner, and there's a lot of upcoming events to educate East Texans about breast health.
Joining us in the living room, Regina Davis with East Texas Medical Center Breast Care Center. Nice to have you back, as always.
Always good to be back.
It's good to be seen. Rather be
Yes,
seen than not seen,
that's
wouldn't you?
exactly right.
Tell us a little bit about what's coming up this Saturday.
This Saturday will be our third annual Penn Sister Breast Health Summit. We started Penn Sister 4 years ago. We started with the summits 3 years ago, and this is going to be our largest one. So far, we have 425 ladies that have pre-registered.
That's a blessing.
Wow.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Why is it so important to reach out to women in the black community?
Well, Penn Sister started as a result of a survey that was done by Susan G. Coleman, a community needs assessment, that indicated that zip code 75702 had a higher rate of late diagnosis, and that was attributed to delayed in screening, getting your screening. So we started an outreach program, and the Breast Health Summit is to bring people together to hear information, some music, some entertainment, so you kind of combine education with networking. And so it is important because early detection is based on getting your screening mammogram annually.
Now, how did you get involved in this process? Did you know anybody personally that had been through breast cancer?
I had a very dear cousin who was more like my sister who died from breast cancer, and she died really young. She was in her 40s. She never got to see her son graduate from school. She never got to see him get married. And I thought that was a death that didn't have to happen. And it's very dear and near to my heart that nobody should have to go through that. And it's simple: early diagnosis, early detection, get your annual screening mammogram.
And you'll meet, obviously there's strength in numbers, if you're dealing with this now, you will meet young women and women of all ages there who have in some way been touched by this.
Absolutely. And what we try to bring together is breast cancer survivors, because it's very prevalent in the community that, okay, if you get breast cancer, you die. So why do I need to find out about it? So we like to have ladies that can testify about their story. And our keynote speaker her name is Coco Powell, and she's a young survivor. She's in her mid-30s. And she talks about how her breast cancer brought her closer to her faith and renewed her faith. So she's a very powerful speaker, and will reach out to people and touch them and make them take action.
Now that is this Saturday, the Penn Sister program, but you guys have something coming up on Friday, October 4th as well. Tell us a little about that.
That's our 7th annual Pink Ribbon Getaway, and that targets breast cancer survivors. And this year we kind of changed it up a little bit. We're having some fun. We're having a fashion show, and also we're going to do a takeoff of the Oprah Winfrey Show. That's going to be interesting in so many ways. We're also having education, a physician panel, and we're having a guy that's a laughter yoga therapist that teaches you how to re-embrace that childlike stuff that you had on kindergarten, and you were running and laughing and playing to relieve stress and be a more calm individual.
I wish we could all do that.
Laughter's the best medicine, right?
Yes, absolutely.
If you want to know more, obviously, guys, ETMC.org is the place to go for more. Regina, thanks for coming by. We wish you good fortune with this, and again, many more years of this. But again, the cancer diagnosis is not a death sentence. There is help, there is recovery, and early diagnosis is key.
Absolutely.
Nice to have you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Later this